Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new update from WhatsApp where it lets you send a photo or a video which then disappears after it has been viewed once. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this feature is similar to the one in Snapchat where you can send a photo or a video which then disappears from your chat window after the recipient has opened them once. So let me show you how it works. Before you begin, make sure your WhatsApp application has been updated to the latest version. So go into your App Store or your Play Store to update it. Once it has been updated, open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Now go to a contact where you would like to send a photo or a video to be viewed only once. Tap on the plus sign to send a photo. Select a photo from your gallery which you want to send. Now if you look just next to the blue send arrow, you'll see the number 1 with a circle around it. Tap on it to enable View Once feature. You should get a message on screen saying this photo set to view once. Now press the blue arrow to send the photo to the recipient. As you can see, it does not give you a preview in the chat window. Your recipient has to tap on it to see the photo. Now let me show you an example of how the recipient will see your message. I'll send another photo from another phone and you'll see this message with a photo but no preview of it. To see the message, you need to tap on the photo. The photo will open and you can view the image. Once you close this image, you won't be able to view this image anymore. The sender will see a message on photo saying it has been opened. And there you go guys, that is a new update from WhatsApp where you can send photos or videos that disappear after it has been viewed once by the recipient. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.